Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So you guys, look at this. They have Easter stuff coming out in Dollar Tree, so you know I had to show it to you, okay? So there is so much cute stuff that they're starting to put out. This is like a first look, okay? They have some really cute Peeps theme things, like the basket right there. They have the Peeps welcome mat. Look at that. How cute is that for only $5? They have egg containers. They also have some stuff that's like not Peeps, but like the jumbo eggs, like the jumbo Easter eggs. You guys, those would be so great if instead of doing like a basket, you just want to do like a jumbo egg filled with things. All kinds of cute stuff. Tablecloths for if you're having like a little outside event. You guys, the soap dispensers, all of this stuff, really cute. And a lot of this is just starting to get put out in that section of the Dollar Tree that's like, you know, it's a little bit more than like the $125 stuff, but don't worry, they were just starting to put that out too. So as soon as the stores have more of that stuff, I'll show you guys that stuff as well. But I was like, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you the stuff that I see already, because you might want to shop early, you know. And then they had those string lights that you just saw. Those were really cute, and lots of little stuffed animals and things like that. So yeah, if you guys have been thinking about what you're gonna do for Easter already, then hey, you definitely want to get in here and check it out, or you know, watch the video, plan what you want to buy, and then go to the store and look for it. Because I like to show you guys stuff as early as I can, okay? As early as I see it, I definitely want to try to get it out to you. And yeah, like I said, when they start putting the rest of the stuff out, I'll show you guys that as well. And I really just love this Peeps tumbler, and they have it in multiple colors. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Just this quick look at Easter stuff. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.